Friends, Running Kimono here. I am super hyper by this video. We have the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be running for just under a week. They did this about a year ago, but the fact that they're breaking it up into 2 weeks, we have twice the opportunity to get extra savings. And look at this. We have 3 freebies in this video. Oh my gosh. So lots of stores around me are already starting to stage stuff, putting up like the extra 50% off clearance. And it's from June the 7th to the 13th. So that Sunday, new digital coupons might be some new deals for us. The significance of the clearance event is when you can get carts and carts of items for so very little out of pocket using digital coupons. Just to show you my receipt, this is at a non-updated 70% off store, but I got that whole cart for like what? 73 cents? I mean, it's absolutely trippy. I definitely recommend, as this event starts on a Friday, if you can get out to your store and see what they might have. This is one store I visited on the weekend. It's like, holy cramoly, I'm going there. And load your digital coupons that I'm showing you in this video so you can be prepared. Obviously, a lot of us who are penny shoppers, we want to get into these totes. A lot of them have the zip ties on them, and a lot of these totes, because the employees just throw whatever in there to get it off the floor, lots of penny items. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for those totes and the pennies. So obviously, the dates are the 7th to the 13th, and in this video, we're looking at clearance items or from the POG list that have an extra 50% off. We're looking at 50% off and not 70 in this video specifically. So if an item is $1, just a quick pop quiz for you, it's going to be 50 cents starting on the 7th. At a 70% off store, it'll be 30 cents. The app will change over around 3 in the morning on the 7th. On the first day, there's often a couple errors, but if an item says clearance on it, the cashier should modify it for you, but it's the Dollar General. Sometimes they won't. But really make this happen, guys, because there have been so many things taken away from us as extreme couponers, and this is our real moment to shine. In this video, you're going to hear me say non-updated store probably about 1 billion times. What a non-updated store is, the keypad is still at the register. In that receipt I just showed you, it looks like that. Updated stores, you'll get the items for free. At non-updated, it'll be free plus coupon overage that you can use for other items. And that's why it's so advantageous to find yourself a non-updated store. First couple items we're going to look at are freebies. We have this Airwick at 50% off with this $4 coupon at a 50% off store. Updated, it's going to be free. Non-updated store, free, and $1.67 of overage. With that $1.67, you can do a whole lot with it and buy a whole lot of items. There are other scents that are part of this, but any sort of double pack of an Airwick with that $4 coupon, scan it and see what might happen. We also have this little small spaces, and we have a $2.30 digital. So it'd make this guy free and 50 cents of overage, and there's a whole bunch of different scents that are part of this too. So any sort of small spaces with that $2.30 digital, I mean, make it happen. 50 cents of overage, you can do a lot with that. These Sally Hansen Extreme Wears at a 50% off store with the $1.50 digital, free, and 27 cents of overage. And these are a couple of the colors that I found, 172 and 304, and there's a weird yellow color as well. Scan all of them and store with the Dollar General app to see the digital coupons that are attaching. We have a Glade with a $2 coupon, making this guy 25 cents. And Glade provided a lot of digital coupons this go around. So all the Glade Air Care, that's what you're going to be on the lookout for. We have this 5-pack. It's going to be $4.50. So after that $2 coupon, it's going to be $2.50 for this 5-pack. That is some tremendous savings. And here's the UPC, guys, if you want to scan at home. And now we have this gorgeous little candle, and it's very sizable. After that $2 coupon, it's 32 cents. So if you have more than one store card, obviously load the same coupons, make a little list like Santa Claus, count it twice, and go get your savings on Friday. We have the Airwick, these are the oils. We have a BOGO free coupon. So $3 for this guy. It'll be $1.50 for 2 after the buy one, get one free coupon. Double, triple check that coupon comes off properly too. At updated stores, it's sometimes a messy. And then we have this 12 count of the Downy pods With the $1.50 digital, it'll be 97 cents. That is an unheard of price, even for 12 Tide Pods. I mean, that is just fantastic. Loving this. I mean, it's just a great price point. So hopefully you could find a bunch of these. And we have the Charmin Essential. This is the 2-count roll of toilet paper. We have a 50-cent digital that's attaching, making it 62 cents. The last clearance event, all the other paper got cleared at most stores, but this little 2-counter that's been in the clearance section, hopefully it rings up properly on Friday, but that would be 62 cents. Dollar Shave Club with the very fancy razor. It's like glitter. We have a $3.50 digital coupon that'll make this razor $1.50. I don't know if this is supposed to be a lady's razor because of the glitter, but it looks really kind of cool. It's called a body shaver. So fanciness right there. Now this is where it gets really interesting. We have this Dove bar soap after a $2 digital coupon, 70 cents for a 6-pack. Unheard of price. This is one item you should be looking for. The mango butter 6-pack of these bar soaps by Dove, if you like bar soap. And we also have a lot of different body washes. Look for the ones with the cone tops, because there's a new flat one by Dove. This guy, after the $2 digital coupon, is $1.37. But any body wash with that cone top, not a flat top, in the clearance section, definitely scan. And, if you can get it $1.37, that's definitely a good stock up price. Now, this is a 6-pack of the Caress bar soap. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, and it's going to drop this guy down to $1.12. The Caress bar soap is an item I really don't see a lot in stores or the pharmacies that we shop at. So this is definitely an item to grab if this is your thing. And then we also have an exfoliating body scrub. This is in a brown sugar scent for 75 cents. I adore this body wash. Anything with exfoliating in my book is really fantastic. And then we also have the Dry Spray by Secret. This is an aluminum-free guy. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping this down to $1.15, which is a very good price point. Maybe throw one of these in your purse for the summer months. I always do that, and it's a smart thing to do. Extra deodorant for $1.15? Yes. We also have this Crest Gum Detoxify with the $2 digital coupon. This guy will be 25 cents after everything is said and done. Check those expiry dates on the toothpaste. Lots of them, the last Mother's Day clearance event had expired. We have the L'Oreal Root Cover Up. So you grab 2 of them. We have an 8 off 2 digital. It'll be $3.35 for the 2. This is one item that even if they're giving it away, people don't seem to buy. But if this is your thing, that's a very good stock up price. In the pain relief, we have a cashback, which is a little bit different. After the cashback, it'll be $1.37. Basically, you clip this, and then after you buy it, you put your phone number in the pin pad, and they'll give you the $2 credit. So in lieu of IBOTTA, Dollar General has their own thing, and it shows up on the app for you. And then we have the Johnson & Johnson. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it'll make this product $2.02 after that $1 off. And this is part of the planogram. I didn't see a lot of these in the clearance, so it's those orange tags in the store, and that's how it's going to ring up. So it's products that are on their way to the clearance section with those orange tags in store. Go to the baby section and maybe you will find a bunch. Now, I just want to talk about some honorable mentions with the overage. If I should find a bunch, it would be definitely this Tide with Febreze. A lot of stores had them out this go around, but they weren't around the last time. $4.47, no digital coupon, but with a bunch of overage, maybe I could get it for a lot less. Let's hope. And then these Tide lights, I'm still finding them at many stores. For whatever reason, they're not putting them in the clearance section, so I don't understand that fully, but I found it at many stores. $4.47 with overage, it would be fantastic. The Oxy, this one is $4.27. So if you're at a 70% off store, or if you have mad overage, definitely this is one item that I would grab. And then we also have these little snuggles, and they're massive too for $4.27. Even on Saturday with a 5 off 25, maybe that's the way to go to get them a lot less if you really like these snuggle scent beads. And the final item that, would be great with overage but no digital coupons as of right now, we have two different gains, one for $2.47 and one for $3.37. So if a bunch of coupons show up on Sunday morning, it might be go time for these, but I'm thinking a lot of couponers will probably just buy them even at this cost. That's it for this video, guys, and good luck on Friday. I'll definitely be out. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my info is in the notes. I'll probably be posting a lot of stuff and have my haul later on Friday. I'm so excited for this clearance event. I can barely contain it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.